How to prepare lemongrass tea at home. Are you looking for a soothing, refreshing, and healthy drink you can easily make at home? Lemongrass tea might be just what you need. Known for its calming aroma, citrusy flavor, and wide range of health benefits, this herbal tea is a favorite in many cultures. In today's video, we'll explore what lemongrass tea is, how to prepare it at home, tips for making the perfect cup, and the amazing health benefits it offers. What is lemongrass tea? Lemongrass tea is an herbal infusion made from the stalks and leaves of the lemongrass plant, a tall, tropical grass native to Asia and Africa. It has a fresh lemon-like flavor with a hint of sweetness, but unlike lemon, it's not acidic. Lemongrass tea is caffeine-free, making it a perfect choice for any time of the day, whether you want to relax before bed or enjoy a refreshing drink in the afternoon. How to prepare lemongrass tea at home. Making lemongrass tea at home is simple and requires just a few ingredients. Ingredients: 2 to 3 fresh lemongrass stalks or 1 tablespoon of dried lemongrass, 2 cups of water, honey or sugar, optional, a slice of ginger or lemon for extra flavor. Instructions: wash the lemongrass stalks thoroughly and cut them into small pieces. In a saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the lemongrass pieces and let them simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup. Add honey, sugar, ginger, or a slice of lemon if you prefer a stronger flavor. Serve hot for a soothing drink or chill it for a refreshing iced tea. Tips for making the perfect cup of lemongrass tea. Use fresh stalks whenever possible. They give the tea a more vibrant flavor compared to dried leaves. Bruise the stalks by pressing them slightly with a pestle before boiling. This helps release more flavor and aroma. Adjust brewing time depending on your taste. A longer simmer creates a stronger, more robust tea, while a shorter one gives a lighter flavor. Experiment with add-ins like mint, ginger, or green tea for unique variations. Health benefits of lemongrass tea. Lemongrass tea is not just delicious, it's also packed with health benefits. Aids digestion, helps relieve bloating, constipation, and stomach cramps. Rich in antioxidants, fights free radicals, and supports overall wellness. Supports relaxation, its calming aroma may help reduce stress and anxiety. Boosts immunity, contains antibacterial and antifungal properties that support your immune system. Promotes heart health, may help reduce cholesterol levels and support healthy blood circulation. Detoxifying effects, helps flush toxins from the body and support kidney health. Lemongrass tea is a simple yet powerful herbal drink that combines refreshing taste with remarkable health benefits. Whether you enjoy it hot or cold, plain or with a twist of ginger and lemon, it's a delightful addition to your daily routine. Have you ever tried lemongrass tea before, or do you prefer another type of herbal tea? Let me know in the comments below.